Winter brings a unique opportunity to grow vegetables that thrive in cooler temperatures. Preparing the soil is the first crucial step. Start by loosening the soil and enriching it with organic compost or well-rotted manure. This ensures nutrients are readily available for the young plants. Choose a location that receives adequate sunlight during the shorter days, as most winter vegetables need at least 6 hours of light. Selecting the right vegetables is essential. Varieties such as spinach, lettuce, kale, cabbage, carrots, and broccoli perform well in colder weather. Use seeds or seedlings suited to winter cultivation, and follow the spacing guidelines on the seed packets to avoid overcrowding, which can lead to poor growth and disease. Sowing seeds directly into the soil works well for hardy vegetables like carrots and radishes. For more delicate plants, starting seeds indoors and transplanting them when they are strong enough helps them survive the early cold. Watering should be consistent but not excessive, as soggy soil can damage roots. Mulching around the base of plants helps retain moisture and protects the soil from frost. Maintaining the garden involves regular weeding and monitoring for pests that remain active during winter. Cold-tolerant pests may still attack tender leaves, so inspect plants frequently and remove any affected parts. Using row covers or cloches can provide extra protection against frost, allowing vegetables to grow steadily. Harvesting is done carefully when vegetables reach maturity. Many winter crops, like kale and Brussels sprouts, become sweeter after exposure to frost. Regular harvesting encourages continued growth and prevents plants from becoming woody or bitter. With patience, preparation, and attention to detail, a winter vegetable garden can provide fresh, nutritious produce throughout the season. Proper care during these colder months ensures a successful harvest and lays the foundation for spring planting.